Southeast Scientific has been serving customers in Georgia, Alabama, South Carolina, and Tennessee since 1999. Our qualified friendly service technicians have over 50 years combined experience repairing laboratory equipment. Our company is the largest scientific repair organization in Atlanta and serves a wide range of research and laboratory equipment such as ultra-low temp freezers, chromatography refrigerators, environmental chambers, centrifuges, water baths, lyophilizers, CO2 incubators, shakers, LN2 Storage Units, Cryostats, and more. Southeast Scientific is factory authorized to handle your warranty and out-of-warranty repairs. Our company is a Panasonic Gold Club service provider and a member of the National Laboratory Repair Association. Southeast Scientific not only offers expert factory authorized service and repair, but a wide variety of other services such as rental, -80 freezers and refrigerators, service contracts and maintenance plans, regardless if you have 2 pieces of equipment or 200, new equipment setups, alarm monitoring and data logger installations, NIST validations, and much, much more. Give us a call today at 770-426-6678 and find out how we can help your lab stay up and running efficiently with minimal downtime while avoiding product loss and unnecessary expenses. You can also visit us on the web at www.southeastscientific.com.